Want to check WhatsApp if someone is on another call? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily check if someone is on another call or not. First thing first, move into your application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into the inbox of the person that you want to check whether they are on call with someone or not. Well, once you're inside the inbox of that person, all you gotta do is make a call. Tap on this call icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, instead of ringing, if it says calling, then they might be on another call. But if it says ringing, then they are not on call with any other person. Right now you can see that it says calling, which means that they might be on call with another person. So this way you will be able to easily find out if they are on call with someone or not. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.